Hi everyone, especially to our teacher Mrs. Angelica Pisit. My name is Diandra Paskin and welcome to my activity demonstration. For this activity, I worked on creating a Java program using hash tables to count and organize airport passengers efficiently. My program can store the country of each passenger and each passenger calculates the total number of passengers from each country. Using hash tables allows the program to quickly check and update count without repeating works. In this video, I'll walk you through my code and explain how each part works. So here we see this import java.util asterisk. So this imports all the utility classes from Java, including HashMap, which we need for the program. So here I named my class Air Counter since we're counting how many passengers each country. So step 2, we create a hash map to store the country counts. So here, this is our hash map. So we create hash map to store the number of passengers for each country. In hash map, the key is the country name, which we use string, and the value is the number of passenger, which is we use integer. In this line, the step 3 is go through its passenger one by one. So we have here for loop. So this for loop goes through each passenger in the array one by one using the index I. So starts 0. It ensures that no passenger is skipped. So every country in the list is considered for counting. Country of the current passenger and stores it in the variable country. So, ang sud ni passenger is mobalhin ni country. Diba? So, it makes the code easier to read because instead of repeatedly accessing passengers, we can just use country in the rest of the loop. So, here. So, nataan ni array. So, USA, Japan, USA, India. So, first, di ba ang index is mag-start so 0. So, si USA na belongs sa 0. Si Japan sa 1, USA 2, India 3, Japan 4, and USA 5. So, int I is equals to 0. I is less than passenger.length. So, passenger.length is unsa kadak-aang naa sa array. So, since 5 man siya, tama na sa 5 siya magbalik-balik. So, string country is equals passengers is equal na siya mag-store. So, I is equals to 0. And then, mo ni si USA. So, so we have if and else condition here. You can see the step 4. Check if the country is already in the hash map. So, if we need if and else statement to check if the country is already in the hash map. So if country count that contains key country, this line checks if the hash map already contains the country as a key. If the country exists in the map, it means we have already counted at least one passenger from the country. So, anhi, mukantang explanation, ikaw na to siya suwat sa note.
So, ang if condition is mo check siya if naa na ba siya value. So, first is USA. Then, ang USA is wa pa man. So, mo dito siya sa else. Ang may tabuan ni is may mo siyang USA is equals 1. So, man na si USA. Si Japan na pagsunod. And si Japan na nabakuno si Jasa. Na nabakuno JK. So, wa pa man. So, mo dito siya sa else. Which is count kani. So, ang may tabuan ni mahimo na ning Japan is equals to 1. Then sunod, nibalik na po si USA. So, na may value si USA, nibalik naman si USA, musunod si Johnny. Balik si Johnny. So, tanaw ni Jang 1. So, get the old number. So, may tabuan ni. That USA is equals to 1. And then, plus 1. Not count. Plus 1 is equals 2. And then, ang 2 ko, no? And then, ang 2, masud sa new count. So, new count is equals USA is equals 2. Diba? Mana ni new count 2. And next na po is India. So, wa pa may kon si India. So, man dyan sa else. So, ang mabuturan ni is India is equals 1. And then, another Japan na po. Since si Japan, na may value 1. So, musunod na po si Gani. Get all number. Japan is equals 1 plus 1 is equals 2. So, new count is equals 2. Japan is equals 2. And then another for USA. USA is equals 2 plus 1 is equals 3. So, masad na po siya sa new count is equals 3. Diba? USA is equals 3. So, diba? Yun na simple. Balik-balik ra dyan eh. And then, if man na, mato na po siya sa line niya. Marato. Since manatad to nga code, ari na punta sa ubos. So, nakita tag S out ani, igura na dyan mo print. So, did no need to explain. So, sa ubos, we have for loop again, and kani is for print ra ni siya sa result. So, di ara ang code sa for loop. So, for string country count dot key set. So, dara atang pangitaan. First nga country is the USA. So, pangitaan ni ja unsay value ni USA. So, count is equals to country count dot get. So,
That gets so atong palitan is USA. Remember this one? Ang atong value ani is nana sa kani country dot count. Ang country dot count USA is equals to 3, 'di ba? And then ang USA na daw so mo print man ni country kani man nimo kani man nimo kani mao nimo print so ang S out ni ang output ni Johnny is country, so which means USA. USA is 3 passengers. So, manani for country USA. So, in Japan, i-check ni dya sa Japan. So, i-check na po dya sa Japan. Japan is equals to 2 passengers. Diba? The next na po is C India is equals to 1 passengers. So gets, so this is the output. So let's try to run. Here guys. Passengers count by the country. 3, 2, and 1. Hey! Thanks for watching. Bye bye.